Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications on Gmail. This feature ensures you never miss an important email by sending alerts directly to your desktop, even when you're working in other applications. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various quick settings options. From this menu, select See All Settings. This takes you to the comprehensive settings page where you can configure all aspects of your Gmail experience. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we need to be for this task. Now scroll down through the general settings until you locate the desktop notifications section. This is where Gmail allows you to control how and when you receive alerts on your computer. Within this section, you'll see a link that says click here to enable notifications for Gmail. Go ahead and click it. Your browser will immediately prompt you with a permission request asking if you want to allow Gmail to show notifications. This is a security feature built into modern browsers. Click Allow to grant Gmail the necessary permissions. Without this step, your browser will block any notification attempts from Gmail. Once you've granted permission, look back at the desktop notifications section in your Gmail settings. You'll now see two main notification options available. Select New Mail Notifications on if you want to receive alerts for every single email that arrives in your inbox. Alternatively, choose Important Mail Notifications on if you prefer to receive alerts only for emails that Gmail's filters mark as important. This second option is particularly useful if you receive a high volume of email and want to avoid constant interruptions. If you'd like to customize your experience further, you'll notice a drop-down menu where you can select a notification sound. Choose one that suits your preference or leave it at the default setting. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This ensures all your notification preferences are locked in and active. One important thing to remember is that you need to keep Gmail open in a browser tab for these notifications to work. As long as Gmail remains open, you'll receive desktop alerts as new emails arrive. Thanks for watching.